Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, good morning, all of my friends. I am Hassan Mohammed Zahid, Bachelor of IT. Today I am going to do the transportation model in operation research, and the transportation model I want to calculate in three different of calculation like NWC, LCR, and the VAM. Okay, so let's go. So here the lab exercise 6. Okay, that one I already did before manually. So now I want to calculate using the software, the online software. So I want to check which one I did before, that one is okay or not. So this one is NWC, sorry, NWC. Okay, so this is the question NWC, and the NWC I want to use the online calculator. So let's click the online calculator here. Okay, so this is the calculator here. This one is the minimum transportation cost calculator using the NWC. So here the first things we have to create the table first. So here as you can see here, like 3 row and the 3 columns. So here we have to write it down 3 row and here 3 columns. After that you have to create the table. So we already get the table here. So now we have to put the value here. So here the first one is 0, 2, 1, and the supply 6. The next row 2, 1, 5, 7. Third row 2, 4, 3, 7 again, and the demand here 5, 5, 10. So I already put the all value here. So now time to calculate. So after put all the value, then you have to calculate here. As you can see here, this is the result here. So this one I do in online, use the online calculate, and this one I do the manually. So I got the result here, the 42, right? So this one I also get the 42, the result. So the both which one I did before manually, that one also correct. So the result is the same result here. Okay, so after that I have another table downstairs there, this one. So now we are going to check that one also. So I reset this one. So here the same thing, 3 column, 3 row, and the 3 columns. Then you have to create the table here. After that here the value 1, 2, 6, 7. Then the second row 0, 4, 2, and supply 12. After that 3, 1, 5, 11. Then here you have to put 10, 10, 10. Okay, let's do the calculate here. Okay, so we calculate this one and we got the result is the total cost is 94. So this one I do the online calculate. So and this one I did the manually. So the same result, the same. So both are correct. So this is the NWC. So I check the NWC which one I did the manually, and now I check in calculator, the both are same. So I did this one is correct. Okay, so now I doing the lab exercise 7. Lab exercise 7. Okay, so lab exercise 7 we are calculating the LCR. We use the LCR method. Okay, so I have to open the online calculator. So LCR. So the previous one I did the NWC. So now I have to use the different calculator. So this is the LCR calculator here. So I go there inside. So the calculator. So this is the LCR calculator here. So now let's do it together. So here as you can see, same the 3 row and 3 columns. So we have to write it down here, 3 row 3 columns, then make it the table here. Okay, then you have to put the value 0, 2, 1, 6, and then 2, 1, 5, 7, 2, 4, 3, 7, 5, 5, 10. Okay, so I already put the all value here. So let's do the calculate. Okay, so this is the calculate here. This one is iteration 1, iteration 2, iteration 3, iteration 4, iteration 5, and then we got the result here. The minimum cost is 37. So this is I get from the online calculator. So which one I did before? This one, the same result. Here also 37 I got, here also 37 got. So that is correct. Okay, so I reset this one. Okay, so I have another table downstairs there. So now I want to calculate this one as well. So this one also here the same 3 row and 3 columns. Okay, so I just put the value here 1, 2, 6, 7, 0, 4, 2, 12, here 3, 1, 5, 11, 10, 10, 10. Okay, let's do the calculate here. Okay, same the 5 illustration. Okay, let's see the result. The result, as you can see here, 61. So which one I did the same result. I also did the 61 here. This one also here get the 61. So this one also correct. Okay, so now I want to calculate on the one more lab exercise, that is lab exercise 8. So the lab exercise 8, I want to calculate. I use the uh, VM calculator, VM transportation model. So let's go the lab exercise 8. So the compare the string solution, use the VM model. So now I want to use the online VM calculator. So VM calculator is here. So let's go the VM calculator. Okay, so this is the VM calculator. So here the same, how many row and how many columns we have to set first. So here also the same 3 row and 3 columns here, and create the table first. Okay, after that we have to put the value 0, 2, 1, 6, and then the second row 2, 1, 5, 7, third row 2, 4, 3, 7, and the demand here 5, 5, the 10. Okay, so we already put the all value, all supplier, supply, demand, everything. So now let's do the calculate here. Okay, this one also same as 5 illustration. Okay, let's see the result here. So the result is the total minimum cost is 37. Okay, so which one I did before. Okay, so I did the manual calculator here, so that one also same result 37. So this one should be correct. Okay, so I reset this one, and I have another one here. I want to sort this one now. Okay, so same like, so we have to create the table first. So 3 row 3 columns. Okay, so done the create table. So we put the data here 1, 2, 6, 7, and then 0, 4, 2, 12, 3, 1, 5, 11. So here 10, 10, and 10. Okay, let's do the calculate here. Okay, so the same interface in station 1, in station 2, in station 3, iteration 5. Okay, so we got the total result is total minimum cost is 40. So which one I did the manually here, the same result I also did the same is 40. So this one also correct. Okay, so that's all for today videos. So I already saw 3 type of calculating. So I use the NWC, I use the LCR, and I use the and I use the VM, and I already checked the all of the result, and all of the results so far okay. So thanks for watching everyone. Bye bye.